guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas bubble deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have an 18-inch wreath ring, this adorable little scribe type sign that says Merry Christmas, 21-inch deco mesh, Chanel stems, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 21-inch mesh, and I have cut my stems into fourths. If you want, you can cut it into thirds. It's completely up to you. So what I'm going to do is take my mesh and pull it to a nice little point, just like this. And to start off, I'm going to take a stem and twist my mesh to the cross ring, just to kind of stabilize it. And then tuck it away. Now I'm going to pull my mesh to make a nice little poof, just like that. And then attach another stem. Now, the size of your poof is completely up to you. You can go with larger, smaller, whatever you prefer. And then just take your stem and twist it to your wreath. And it will move, that's alright. The more mesh you get in place, the more stable it will become. And you also just decide how many poofs you want in each of your sections. So pull, make a poof. Take your stem and twist it in place. Just like that. So I'm just going to repeat this step all the way around my wreath. Again, the number of poofs and how large you want them, it's completely up to you. And we'll also be able to kind of fan them out and flare them out a little bit more. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to continue working all the way around my wreath. And cut away the excess mesh. Now I'm just going to flare out all of my poofs, making sure they're nice and poofy. Alright, it looks so cute and precious. Again, make it as poofy as you'd like. Alright, so for the final touch, I'm going to add the adorable sign to my center. Alright, so I'm going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And this actually isn't a real, like a wooden sign. It's more, like I said, more like a scroll. So I'm going to try and glue it closer towards the wood at the bottom and the top. Just like that. And just make sure you have enough of the stem hanging off the side of your sign. Just like that. So now I'm just going to add the sign to the center. And I'm just going to push the mesh aside, take my stem and twist it to the actual wreath ring a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then place my mesh back. I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. To make these adorable little bows just to cover up the wooden rods in each of the 4 corners. These are so cute and simple to make. I have several videos. I will link them in the description box down below on how to make adorable Christmas decorative bows. But what I'm going to do is just place them in each of the 4 corners, and I have them connected with the stem, and I'm just going to twist them in place. Or you can hot glue it. Or you can use ornaments, you can use, you can add in some type of greenery like this, whatever you prefer. The possibilities are endless. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist these in place. I just went with the glitter red ribbon just because I thought it was so cute. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you'd like.